where plants can grow. How the soil will be formed? By the rocks. We know the rocks, right? Big rocks. These rocks are turns like into the tiny particles of rock. With the help of sun and with the help of weather condition, it breaks down into the small pieces and forms like a soil. Then what is there in the soil? Tiny rock particles, humus, air, water and microorganisms. Tiny rock, you know the rocks, right? And humus means dead particles of plants and animals. In the soil, some small organisms live in the soil like earthworms, some bacteria, fungi live in that, right? So after dying, they decay in the soil, and plants also growing on the soil. After they die, they also fall onto the soil and mixes into the soil. That is the humus. And in the soil, we have a air too, and it holds the water. And next, microorganisms. Nothing but small insects and earthworms, bacteria present in the soil. Mainly, we have 3 types of soil. How many types of soil we have? 3 types. This is the sandy soil, and it has a hard particles. Okay, now it has a hard particle. It doesn't hold much water. It doesn't absorb the much water, and we can see this type of soil in the desert areas and beaches, seashores, beaches. We can see this type of soil. And next is clayey soil. Comparing with the sandy soil, it is very smooth and it is sticky. When we touch it, it is very sticky and it absorbs lots of water. It holds the lots of water. We use this soil to make the idols and earthen vessels. Earthen vessels is nothing but pots. Nowadays we are using the vessels, right? That we use this soil to make the vessels. And next is loamy soil. It is a mixture of these both soils. Loamy soil is a mixture of sandy soil and clayey soil. If you have the types of soil, right? These are the layers of the soil. How our land will be formed? Our land will be formed by different layers. They are arranged in a horizontal way. This is called arranged in a different horizontal ways. Mainly we have 4 layers. One is top layer, top soil, subsoil, parent material, bedrock. And you can see this one green color. What it is? It is a humus. I said that what is humus? It is the particles of plants and animals. And next is a top soil. And next is subsoil and parent material, bedrock. And this humus help the plants to grow properly. It gives the nutrients to the plants. And next, top soil. It is mostly dark brown in color and plants grow very well in the top soil. Next, subsoil. Comparing with the top soil, it is little bit light in color. It holds the lot of minerals. Plants absorb the minerals from the soil only, right? So the roots will grow to the subsoil and it absorbs the minerals from the subsoil. It helps the plants to grow properly. We have topsoil and subsoil, right? These 2 layers are come from the parent material. It has a little bit big rocks. Okay. And next is the bedrock. In this layer we have a very big rocks and it will give support to the remaining layers. You are seeing the big rocks here down?
Yes, ma'am.
So these big rocks are called the bedrocks. Okay, they are very heavy. These are called the bedrock. Parent material. They are called the
Parent material.
And above that you have one more layer, right? That is called a subsoil. That is called a